What's up, guys? We back today. So last few days it's been a little cold outside and I had work, but I had work later on, so we're gonna do a quick little cleanup session here with Austin. You can't really see him.
What up?
My brother over there too. He's a little shy, but so I'm gonna show you the car one more time, give you a little rundown. So yep, airbag is popped on the passenger side. Shouldn't be a big deal. We're about to clean it out right now. Actually, we're gonna get all this dirt and stuff out of it real quick. But anyway, so yep, quarter panel needs some work. I don't know what he was doing. Got a few rivets and holes, but I'm gonna redo all this anyways. This got pushed in just a little bit. I'm gonna pull that out. Gotta get this off sometime this week. Get the upper control arm off. And then there's a rod, or I forgot the name of it, needs to be replaced also. This is bent up also a little bit. I'm gonna hammer this back flat, which I'm not really too worried about this because the bumper's gonna cover it anyways. Pull this vinyl wrap off. And then as of right now, what I'm just gonna be doing is I'm just gonna be getting this marks and stuff off the windows so the car doesn't look too beat up while he's cleaning the inside. Get this off. Maybe take the bumper off. Maybe shouldn't be too long because it's already pretty much off. It's just hanging. Get these off the window. Get this off there. Maybe get the sticker off too. But yeah, I mean, interior just needs to get cleaned out pretty much, honestly. So yeah, this is the first step right here. This is we're just gonna start cleaning, honestly. And then after that, later this week, I'll try and show you a video of getting the upper control arm off and all that, and showing you the actual damage to the car. See, we'll go through a whole series and see how much it'll cost to repair the parts that's broken and get the car back running, and inspection, if it passes or not. And we'll try and do everything, try and show you everything. So got a lot of videos coming on this. We're gonna do a interior paint or vinyl wrap. I'm thinking paint because I don't like these orange pieces. They painted these orange and they painted this red. I have no idea why. And we just started it up not too long ago, so we're not really gonna start it in this video, but we're just gonna do a lot of cleaning right now. And we'll show you when we get done cleaning. So yeah, this is the car as of right now, but I'm gonna try and get all this paint and stuff off the windows. Alright, so it's like 30 minutes later. I got all the writing off the windshield. That's all gone. Back windshield's clean. And then we start cleaning the inside. Yeah, this car don't look too bad. Got some, I thought it was just like vape juice or something, but it's actually air freshener. You can't focus. There we go. It's like air freshener. It smells really good, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, like some of this stuff we cleaned, it looks clean, but like it's really not. Like I need to get a new shift knob. It's like tore. And then also like around in these gauges and stuff, like it looks nice from a distance, but when you get real close up on it, you still see like dirt up in the cracks, like up in there. Clean the steering wheel up a little bit. I even cleaned inside the glove box, like cleaned the doors. This was just disgusting, these cup holders. This was all nasty. So I mean, to be honest, I mean it's cleaner, you know what I'm saying? This is a start, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, this is what I'll be sitting when I drive the car, you know what I'm saying? So this is, you know, it's cleaner. But like I said, once the car gets running again, then we can actually drive to like the car wash and vacuum it out properly and everything. But as of right now, it's a lot cleaner than it was because this thing was disgusting. I think it was like maybe a girl that owned this. I have no idea. We find chapstick, like 2 things of chapstick, eyeliner, and some fragrance spray. Like, yeah, I think it had to be a girl. But yeah, so we just cleaned the inside today. It's a nice day outside. It's about 1:30 almost. I leave for work about 3:20, so still got about maybe an hour, 2 hours to work on as much as I can. Probably jack the car up and try and see if I can get that wheel off, and try and see if I can start getting some pieces off now. But interior, it was like a 2 out of 10, but now it's probably about, I would say maybe 4 or 5 out of 10. Still needs a lot of cleaning. Need the floors vacuumed, seats need to be cleaned, roof needs to be vacuumed and cleaned also. But I mean, it's gonna be a car that I drive often, so alright, we'll catch you guys back. What up? What's up? So, back day 2. We back. So, I don't know if y'all can see this. This got pushed back a little bit, but it looks fine. Maybe just tore up some plastic. Springs look fine. So, what we did is this. Went to the junkyard already. Got the new upper control arm. Got the new rod. Took the old rod out. No rod. No upper control arm. So, what we're gonna do right now, we're just gonna install it. We're gonna see how long it takes us. We took those off at the junkyard with about, yeah, it was pretty quick, honestly. Put some WD-40 on them bad boys, filled them up, and then took them off easy. But yesterday, I don't know if we finished showing you. Dang, my car's locked. But we cleaned the inside. We got rid of the airbag. We cut the airbag out, but we actually got an airbag from the junkyard too, so we might install that. And we fixed the front bumper. That's on correctly. So, after this is fixed, the car should be able to drive. I'm gonna make sure this is pushed back too, that way it doesn't scrape my tire or anything like that, doesn't pop. But long story short, so if you guys want to do this yourself, what you gotta do is take this screw out right here. It's a ball joint in there. What you want to do is, if you can get a pickle bar, which is like a fork, you stick it in there and you can pry it up. What I did is took that screw out, and there's a little groove back here. You can jam something in there and open it up, and that'll relieve some of that pressure. And then after that, that ball joint would just come out so much easier. That's what we did at the junkyard. Just pry that open a little bit, it'll come straight out. And then just 2 17mm screws in the back. Those are pretty tough to get out, but those should come out eventually also. But you gotta give them some arm strength. And then also this rod, mine was broke, but this one, you have a little lock on the top, which, well, I don't know why it can't focus. And then on the inside, that one also, that's a weird one. You need like a 21 or 22 wrench, and then you also need like a 19 to get that back on. That one's odd. So we took it apart, and now we're gonna put it back together. We'll let you know when it looks like when we're done.
Alright, so we finished putting the upper control arm and the tire rod, I think that's what it's called, onto the car. We mounted the wheels on. We haven't test drove it yet. That's gonna be in tomorrow's video, or part 3, I guess. And yeah, so roughly it's fairly easy install putting those two on. It took us roughly about 30 to 35 minutes. And yeah, so right now the car is drivable, and we're gonna see if it actually can, you know, run for a long period of time. So stay tuned for that next video. See you guys in the next one.